Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's topic I'm going to show you how you can make a professional TikTok account, how you can create a professional business account on TikTok. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, for I do upload good content like this every week. So without wasting much of your time, just go straight to it. Sign up. Okay, I'll sign up with my Gmail account. Put my date of birth, the day and the month, December. Advertise. Okay. So right now as you can see, this is just a local account. So right now we'll go on creating a business account on TikTok. Welcome back here on stage 2. So just go straight to it without wasting account. Switch to pro account. TikTok pro account. Continue. View analytics. Continue. So right now it gives you so many options, education and so on and so forth. So which one, it depends on you, okay, but for me I will take this one. Next, I'll put in my mobile number. This phone number is already used, so we'll just use my email for that. We'll just receive the email right now. 9473 9473 6969. We are done. Welcome to your pro account. You can now find analytics on your setting. Okay, so that was it. As you can see, very easy and simple. Now I have a pro account on TikTok. Very simple, no stress. Create a post, follow us. So guys, thank you. If this video was helpful, please do subscribe, for I will be doing content like this every blessed day. Thanks to God.